Psalm 70 tonight, a prayer for relief from my adversaries. To the chief musician, a psalm of David, to bring to remembrance. Make haste, O God, deliver me. Make haste to me, O Lord. Let them be ashamed and confounded, who seek my life. Let them be turned back and confused, who desire my hurt. Let them be turned back because of their shame, who say, Aha! Aha! Let all those who seek you rejoice and be glad in you. And let those who love your salvation say continually, Let God be magnified. But I am poor and needy. Make haste to me, O God. You are my help and my deliverer, O Lord. Do not delay.